So we made it through all the big potholes with the minivan. Always comes through for us. Now we're just on our little road. Take us out to our little spot.
Nice. I think
A little bit breezy, but hopefully we can go around to this one little area. It goes into a bay and we'll be able to fly with it.
Rooster. Yeah, surf is up again. We gotta walk down the beach to the right. Yeah, totally.
That's so funny. I'm like, what's that noise?
Sunshine, yay! Casting blind here, but baby's got a giant on. All right, little snapper. The giant. Fishing gods are smiling upon us, eh, baby? Yes, he's got little pokies.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Look, something that's taken mine. I didn't think it was very big at the beginning, and all of a sudden it just took off. Might just be a jack. Bunch of needlefish chase fish around here, and a few bites here and there. A little head shakes. He's not very big, but he's strong, so I'm thinking jack. I like not knowing what it is. Just never know what you're going to. Oh, there's a big needlefish right there. Yep, that's got to be a jack. They're just like a little slab.
It's a jack.
Yeah, you can just tell they fight hard.
Oh yeah, they got that moment.
Yeah. Yeah, it's big enough to make almost a big of a fillet.
So here is a bumblebee.
It looks small enough to get really close. It's a giant.
Holy frickin' doodle. That's crazy.
It was about 5 times the size of the one from home.
Oh my gosh. Where'd it go? Up here? Oh, there it is. Wowza. Oh, oh. Whoa! I got you on camera.
Got a good one. I don't know what I got. Got some weight to him. In the sun. I got some weeds. I don't know what I hooked, but I got something bigger. Took line right away. Holy. Oh, into my backing now. Oh, I don't know what I got, but it's good.
It's a good fighter.
Oh, it's big. It's like way next level of what we've ever caught.
Wow, really?
It's in my backing.
Cool.
Yeah.
I guess we don't need our phone to take a still anyway.
Oh, you can grab more. The more footage, the better. If you can get it. It's got I don't know if it's a cuda or what. Hasn't come out of the water. Casting blind, a little shrimp pattern, a pregnant shrimp. And I don't know what it is. I want to be able to see what it is. Freaking weeds on there. I mean, it's just fighting like about a 6-7 pound rainbow, but bigger than what we've been used to, especially on the fly rod. Nothing bigger than a ½ pound. No coral around, it's all just weeds and sand here, for what I can tell. Is that a bone?
That's a bonefish.
Is it? It's a nice one too. Oh my gosh, it's a big bone. It's not a little bone. It's a beautiful bone. It's a big shit. My first ever bonefish hooked into. That is gonna need some stills, baby. Holy smokes. It's a meaty bone. I gotta get him and get tired up first. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's a hunky bone. Whoa. You know it. You know it. It went through my legs. It is I don't know how big it is, but she's a chunky one. It's probably a... Wow. What a start. It's got some shoulders. Oh my gosh, this thing's got shoulders. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that.
Hang on.
Hang on.
Wow.
Put your flash on, baby.
I don't need a flash.
Oh yeah. That's right. No, just to fill in.
I'm filming.
That is a chunky, phenomenal bonefish. Oh my gosh, baby.
That is awesome. Woohoo!
This is a slabber knocker. Look at that.
Wow.
Okay, get closer, take some cool pictures. Okay. enjoying the sights. Another something a little bit better, taking a little bit of line, not much, but can't pull them in. Bigger than the little snappers I've been catching. Here I am, waist deep water here. Surrounded by pelicans diving, steady. Gotta be fish and food around here. And a bit of a in and out of the eel, turtle grass, and I'd like to catch something we could club. Not as big as the last one, or the bone. It's bigger than the other stuff we caught. Some silvery jacky. Silver flat one. Little jack maybe. Something different, or it's a bigger jack. It's not those chromer little flashers. Pulling hard for a little fish. Built to pull. Bigger jack. Just bigger jack. Yeah, there's a bone along the side, fight like crazy. Awesome. Not quite big enough, worth clubbing. Oh, there's some fish jumping. Oh, look at you, Howard.
Uh-oh.
I left it on. I left the thing on. Oh my god, your face is really lit. That's funny, look like a superhero. Come on, baby, you can do it.
Holy, I couldn't touch there.
Funny. It's a little one this time, but not quite big enough to eat. They're prickly. Sure what kind of snapper that is, if it is a snapper. And that's a wrap. We call it a day. But when you live in paradise, you can come back tomorrow. Hopefully the wind's a little bit calmer. It's not as bad now. I think it calmed down a little bit. It's a little bit easier to cast, but a glorious day. Big tick mark on the bucket list today, and then some. So the bones are here, and it's a matter of trying to do some visual sight casting on a calmer day, but it was good. Well, all packed up and ready to go. Take a little walk, start a little walk out. Go ahead, babe. Alrighty.
I'll follow your tracks.
Tide's up a little bit, but I got about a 10-15 minute walk back to the van. And a little conch and a Mickey and another shoe.